Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about preparing your disc mower for fall and winter storage. We'll go through a couple of different examples depending on if your machine sits outside or if you have a shed to be able to put it in. So what you want to do first is open up all your shields and take your air hose, or if you have a big compressor, blow all of this stuff out, blow all the dust out of there, all the loose hay, off the forming shield, off the swath board, off the top of the header. Blow all that stuff off, and then I would recommend to give it at least a light rinse with the pressure washer. Don't stand there focusing spray on the bearings so that you get water in the bearings, but at least rinse it off, especially if your machine has to sit outside, because you want to get as much of that stuff off of there, because you will get moisture there, and moisture with some dirt there just causes a bunch of rust. So make sure that you clean all those areas out, blow them down, and then the next thing to do is go through, check for things that are broken. If there's broken stuff, either make a list to repair it next spring or repair it right away while it's fresh in your memory, and then grease everything. A liberal coating of grease on all of that stuff just keeps the moisture away from it, and it protects it and makes it last a lot longer. As well with that, when you're all completely finished, start the machine up and let it run for 30 seconds to a minute, so that you get some of that lubrication rolled around on all of those bearings, and then shut it off so that it stays there, that it doesn't warm up and drip away again. So make sure you open up all the shields on the engine and wash and blow that area all out as well. First thing is air filter, leave that shut. The manual and the companies, they say don't touch the air filter until the indicator light goes off, because there's way too much chance that the filter might not get seated correctly, and then you have contamination and you'll dust your engine. So don't open that up, don't blow it out, don't take the filter out and blow it out, don't get it washed. Brand new element in there when the filter indicator light goes off. So a good service part to put on your shopping list that you have in your shop for the day that the buzzer goes off for you. Fuel filters, oil filter, secondary fuel filter, good time to change those all now. Contaminants are usually in the engine oil from working all season. If you replace all of that stuff, then your crankshaft and your camshaft and all your rotating group is in fresh oil. Less chance of some kind of damage from some kind of a contaminant. So just a good practice there to change all that oil. Check all the levels on everything, your hydrostat, check for leaks if you need to order some hoses or have things repaired. The last thing that you probably want to look at is your main planetaries. Good practice. Most cutters have not had this oil changed. If you have, good job. If not, probably a good time to change this. Planetary drives are very, very expensive. Oil is very, very cheap maintenance. Roll it to the bottom spot, open the plug, let it drain out, flush it with a little bit of new oil, put the cap in, fill it to the other cap when you get it centered here, and you're ready to go for next year. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.